So, of course, we need to have an SPF, or sunscreen every day or every morning as part of your regimen. So our sunscreen, it has SPF 50. It's broad spectrum. It can gives you actually a matte finish effect. It has a high protection of SPF. You know, in the market, we do have two kinds of sunscreen. We have chemical sunscreen and mineral sunscreen. The best sunscreen that we can actually have would be the mineral sunscreen. And that's our broad spectrum sunscreen. The reason why, it's because of the two particular ingredients that we have on this sunscreen. Because some ingredients on your sunscreen, like for example, if your sunscreen is chemical, it's still actually absorbed onto your skin. It did not block the UV rays or the sun rays on your skin, while having the mineral sunscreen can actually block the sun rays. It can bounce back. It actually you're having a shield on your skin if you're using a mineral sunscreen as compared to having chemical sunscreen. And the sunscreen, or the reason why we have mineral sunscreen, it's because of the zinc oxide and the titanium oxide ingredient of our skin. These two particular ingredients are the one who block the UV rays on our skin. It's actually the shield of our skin. And that's why the consistency of having a mineral sunscreen is more thick as compared to those having a chemical sunscreen. But it's much more safer using the mineral sunscreen. Okay? So aside from zinc oxide and titanium oxide, it also has lilac stem cell, the two main ingredients of our products, and sea daffodil. It also has octinoxate, which is it can absorb UV rays before they can penetrate deep enough to damage the skin. So that's how great our sunscreen is. They really love our sunscreen because most of our clients actually gave us a feedback that they feel like they already have powder once they apply the sunscreen that we have. Okay.